Hi folks, this is an ML320 with a 3.2 V6 engine. Had a code of P1570. Mechanics couldn't find out what it was, and all it was the intake manifold. It's cracked in the front. Code P1570. This is all it is right here. Cracked intake manifold. Very easy to put on, not hard at all. You just have to take this throttle body off and put it in the new one. Take your EGR valve, because this has a bent here which is impossible to get out. It's only 2 screws on the EGR. Make sure you keep your gaskets. Put new O-rings for the fuel injectors. They're like $6. They come in a kit. Replace this, put it on the old one, and you're good to go. Code P1570. This is what it is. Cracked intake manifold. Car turns on for 2 seconds or so, and it shuts right off. You hear it when it goes on, and it shuts right off. Very easy fix, not hard at all. One cam sensor over here that you have to unplug. Another map sensor over here. All these hoses. You have to take the air pump out, which is this right here. Air pump. Remove this, put your screw back. Once you remove the air pump, you can see the crack on the intake manifold. I mean, if you, while you're here, if you want to also replace your Mach sensors, you could. You have 2 of them. It's up to you if you want to do it or not. It's a very easy job. There's no reason to pay $2,500 when the part costs $650. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope it helps you in your job. Thank you. Bye.